Hello everyone, welcome back to Talent Battle channel. So let's see our today's hiring for our video. So our first hiring is from Tech Mahindra, where they are hiring for the engineering or MCA graduates. So talking about who are eligible to apply for this role. So the candidates having BE Tech from Computer Science Engineering, IT or EC department, or the candidates who have done their MCA or MSc degree from Computer Science or Information Technology, they are also eligible to apply for this job. And for this hiring, MTech student is not eligible to apply for this program. Also, if you have graduated before 2024, then you are also not eligible to apply for this job. So the candidates passing out in 2024 batch with BE Tech or MCA or MSc degree are eligible to apply for this job. And to apply for this hiring, you should be having minimum 65% of your marks throughout your academic career starting from class 10th to your current degree. So the candidates who are eligible to apply for this hiring, they will be invited for the virtual online test within 1 to 2 weeks from the date of your registration. And you will be appearing for all the tests in a virtual mode, but your interview will be face to face in Tech Mahindra offices. And note one thing, that each round will be of elimination round. Upon successful clearing each round, you will be invited for the next round. So basically there will be total 5 stages of your evaluation, and upon clearing all the 5 stages, you will be confirmed for the onboarding process. So if you are fit for this role, then click on the continue button, and there is a 1 page of registration form where you have to mention all the basic details related to your academic career. So all 2024 graduates should apply for this hiring. Now our second hiring is from Capgemini, where they are hiring for the network engineer role for Gurgaon location. This is a full-time opportunity where the candidates having BE Tech degree from CS, IT or Circuitual branches, or the candidates having MCA degree and should be passing out in 2024 batch can only apply for this hiring. And before applying to this job, you should be ready to work in night shifts. Also, this is a work from office job where you will be working from their Gurgaon office 5 days a week. And if you want to know more about the job profile, then you can go through this, where you can get the idea that what you will be doing as a network engineer. And you should keep in mind before applying to this job that this position is open for only Gurgaon location. Now talking about the salary, then they are offering a package of rupees 4 lakhs per annum. Apart from this, you will be also getting 25,000 as a one-time joining bonus. So these were the 2 hiring opportunities from Tech Mahindra and Capgemini. So if you are 2024 pass out candidates, you must apply for both these hiring, as this is a good opportunity especially for the 2024 batch. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to Goldman Sachs and Zepto, where they are hiring for the freshers, and also Deloitte is hiring for the national level assessment test. So all the hirings are for freshers. Also, if you are having some experience, you can also apply for all these hirings, and you should consider subscribing our channel so that you can be notified earlier for the latest off-campus jobs and internships. So we will meet in the next hiring update. Till then, thank you.